Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook password. Maybe if you suspect that your Facebook account has been hacked or someone knows your password, that you want to update or change it. Now, after you've logged on to your Facebook, or maybe you are already on your Facebook account, now this is how you can do to change your password. Now, when you check at the top right here, you see your profile name here. So when you tap on it, then you see the J icon on top right here. So just tap on that one too. Now when you tap on it, then you go down here, then you see more in account center. So just tap on it, and now you choose the password and security. So if you come here, you see password and security. So just tap on it. Now when you tap on it, then you see change password. The next one is to change or to add two-factor authentication. That is one way of securing your account from hackers, but that is not what we're going to do now. So we want to see how to change our password. So I'll just tap on the change password. Now I have multiple accounts here, so I'll choose the account that I want to change the password, probably the first one, that is my name. Now from here you can update your password. So here you have to enter your current password that you are using, and now you go to the new password field to create a password that you want to use for your Facebook account. Now make sure that the password that you use contains letters and special characters that will make it very difficult for someone to guess. So here you have to put in the new password and then you confirm it from here. Now after you are done, you just hit on change password. So that is how you can change your Facebook password. And one thing is that when you do it, it will log out from any other device that you've logged in. So basically you can just do that to change your Facebook password. So if you suspect that someone knows your password or your account has been hacked, then you can quickly use this strategy to change your password. Now let me hear from the comment section if you are facing any challenges. Don't forget to share this video to help others to know how they can also change their Facebook password. And don't forget to subscribe if today happens to be your first time. Now see you in my next video. Bye bye.